Hello folks, this is Tech 20 with another video, another tutorial for you. We're going to go ahead and cover how to do some conditional formatting today. So as you can see here, we do have a basic, just some inventories of tools, hammer, screwdrivers, etc. So we want our basics to be, say 100, right? So, um, we need to reorder items. I want to go ahead and know that. So what you're going to do is go ahead and highlight this here. And you're going to go ahead and come over to conditional formatting, which is right here. Click on that. And you'll get some options here. You get highlight cell rules, top, bottom rules, data bars, color scales, etc., etc. We're going to go ahead and do highlight cell rules. And we're going to go ahead and do less than. Okay, so this here is going to bring this up. And format cells that are less than, we'll just go ahead and pick 100 because of our data set. And then over here, you can go ahead and select light red fill. That's the default. Or you can do a custom format by clicking there. And then you can go ahead and do bold and red, for example. So I want to know everything that is under 100, and I want it to be red so that I know if I need to reorder it or not. So I'll click OK there. And as you can see over here, our data has changed. You'll see that the 75 and 32 are in red. So we need to know we need to order some more drills and drivers. Some basic conditional formatting. If you found this helpful, please do feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.